Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you how the engine ECU IC work. This is Infinity 2001 to 2003 ECU, same function Nissan Maxima. Most common failure parts I will explain today. This is the chip for ignition coil. Ignition coil. This is the most failure parts for this car. You can simply, if the ignition coil, one of them is not working, you simply check ignition coil first. If the ignition coil is good, then check power and ground. For example, this is the ignition coil. This is the spark plug. Ignition coil has 3 wire, positive, negative, B negative, and signal wire from this chip. If the ignition coil is if not working, you can simply first you check this wire, trace the wire. If the wire is good, then this chip must be changed. In other parts, most failure parts of this ECU, injector. This chip, MOSFET chip, this is 2 chip. The one MOSFET chip control 3 injector. The second one control 3 injector. Same procedure, ignition coil. First you check power in the injector. If the injector power is good, injector has 2 wire. One is power, one is negative signal from this chip. If the power is good, then you trace the wire. Every ECU same this like. You trace the wire. If the wire is good, not short, only simple change this chip, which injector is not working. 3 injector this chip, 3 injector this chip. This is the second failure parts. Most failure parts. This is a filter capacitor. the green one. This is a filter capacitor. For every fuel injector, self capacitor, fuel injector, capacitor, filter capacitor, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. This is 6-cylinder engine. 3 ignition, 3 injector, this 3 this is 6 total. This is the 6 capacitor. This for the injector capacitor. Another chip I will show. This is the most failure parts for this ECU. Idle air volume. Idle air volume. This is the also most common failure for this car. This chip for idle air volume. If the idle air volume not working properly, you can check simply this chip. For you tracing the wire. After tracing the wire is good, then 100% this chip can be problem. This is the microprocessor to control all the ECU. MCU. This one and this one, this some of this for control oxygen sensor, same this like stuff. But this part is not common failure. I show you the common failure parts first. Power chip. This is a power chip. Five volt. This is also, you can check. This is transistor. Ground, positive, 5 volt out. This is also failure parts, but most common failure parts, this one, and this 6 injector, this parts, and the idle air volume. Thank you for watching.